Are skills important? What are the scientific skills? How do we equip our children with these skills? Hi everyone, I'm Miss Ho, founder of Alpha and Friends, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 26 scientific skills. Why these skills are important and how can you support your child in acquiring these skills. Let me start by asking you this question. Can you swim? Assuming your answer is no, you cannot swim. Then I'll give you a book on how to swim. You will read the books. It describes the step-by-step instruction on how you should put forward your left arm, stretch your right arm to the back, and then tilt your head at 45-degree angle, so on and so forth. You read every step and memorize them. Then I gave you a test. You scored 100%. Woohoo! Next day, I'll bring you to a swimming pool. Do you think you can swim? No way, you will drown. Why? Because swimming is a skill. So how can we learn to swim? We need to learn it in the pool, right? It is called experiential learning. So, assuming you are ready to learn swimming from a swimming instructor, do you think the swimming instructor will guarantee you that you will be able to swim in one lesson? No way! He will need you to sign up a minimum of 10 lesson course, right? Why? Because in order to acquire a skill, you need lots of practice. If you want to be an Olympic swimmer, what would you do? You will be practicing every day and perhaps 8 hours a day. Okay, now, assuming you know how to swim, but you have not been to the pool for years, probably too busy with work. And today, you get a chance to go for a holiday, staying in a nice hotel with a huge swimming pool. Do you think you can still swim? Yes. Why? Because swimming is a skill. Once you have acquired the skill, it stays with you for life. Just like cycling. Cycling is a skill too. Once you know how to ride a bicycle, you can do it anytime, anywhere. That's why we have been advocating hands-on experiential learning for young children, so that they can acquire the 21st century skills needed, which will benefit them for life. Let's focus on the scientific skills, which are part of the 21st century skills. There are 26 skills grouped in 3 categories, namely process skill, manipulative skills, and critical and creative thinking skill. Examples of process skills are observing, classifying, hypothesizing, predicting, and experimenting. Examples of manipulative skills are like using instrument, demonstrating, and constructing. Examples of critical and creative thinking skills are like analyzing, evaluating, applying, and problem solving. Let's take color mixing experiment as a case study and see what are the skills involved in doing this simple experiment using primary colors, prepared from food coloring, and instruments such as plastic test tube and pipettes. We will let your child explore freely initially. Then we'll ask your child to create the same shade of green color as we have in our sample. Imagine what will happen in the little mind now when he has got a green that is slightly different from ours. Your child will start to observe, compare the 2 samples, and analyze them. He may be thinking, mine is darker than yours, meaning his is darker. He may be hypothesizing that maybe more yellow will make the green lighter. He predicts that maybe 3 more drops of yellow will be sufficient. He experiments it. He demonstrates his manipulative skill using the pipette. He analyzes and evaluates the results by applying the knowledge he has gained. Do you think he will get it right the first time? No. So he has to have that never give up attitude and keep on trying attitude, the grit and the resilience when he face challenges, when he cannot get the same colors as ours, right? So there are so much going on in the little mind in just doing one simple experiment. Well, here comes the next important questions. How can you support your child in acquiring these scientific skills? It's simple. Give your child lots of opportunity to engage in hands-on science or STEM activities. It has to be experiential learning. Remember the swimming and the cycling? So they have to experience it, right? And not just through reading. Why? Because reading tends to limit on knowledge transfer and not scientific skills acquisition. Plan out a routine, be it every day, every Wednesday and Saturday, or every Sunday. Support your child with the resources needed. Source them, buy them before the science experiment day, okay? Lastly, make learning science fun and enjoy every moment with your child.